In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the so-called zoom scam associated with the Honor Magic 6 Pro. You might wonder why it's referred to as a scam, and I'm here to bring some clarity to this topic. Let's start by exploring the contrast between marketing promises and reality. Many brands, including Honor, advertise massive zoom numbers like 100x zoom. But if you look closer, you'll discover that these figures are somewhat misleading. Beyond approximately 5 times zoom, the image quality tends to decrease significantly. Why does this happen? Well, it's primarily because, after a certain point, the zoom capability shifts from optical to software enhancement. This means that what you're seeing isn't purely the work of the lens, but rather a digital interpretation that adds pixels in a way that can look good at first glance, but often sacrifices detail and sharpness. Now let's delve into real user experiences to see how people on the ground feel about this. Scanning through Reddit, you'll find a wide array of opinions. Some users mention that the zoom quality starts deteriorating after 2.5 times, with images becoming noticeably blurry. Others caution against expecting crisp details beyond 10x zoom. This feedback highlights that while there are real complaints, these aren't exclusive to the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Many other smartphones in the market face similar critiques when pushing beyond their optical limits. This brings us to the hardware aspect, which is crucial to understand. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is equipped with a 2.5x telephoto lens, not the 5x or 10x optical zoom that you might find in some competitors like the Galaxy Ultra models. As a result, when you try to push the limits, the zoom capability isn't as strong, making it clear why some users might feel shortchanged. To give you a clearer picture, let's break down the quality of zoom at different levels. From 1 to 2.5 times zoom, the quality is excellent thanks to the optical capabilities of the lens. Between 3 and 5 times, the quality remains good, though it relies significantly on artificial intelligence to maintain image sharpness. Once you move beyond 10 times zoom, you'll notice a drop in quality with increased blur and noise. Finally, anything beyond 50 times is largely a marketing gimmick, which doesn't hold up in practical use. Thus, if you're wondering whether this is a scam, the answer is no. The allegations mainly stem from exaggerated marketing claims. It's undeniable that while the marketing may overpromise, it doesn't amount to an actual scam. The Honor Magic 6 Pro still offers decent zoom capabilities, just not at the levels you might find with a high-end DSLR camera. In conclusion, it's a solid camera phone overall, but keep in mind its limits. Adjust your expectations and you'll find it performs quite well within its range. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this sheds some light on the often misunderstood world of smartphone zoom capabilities.